Hello everyone, welcome to another insightful edition of Nifty Analysis brought to you by SignalZ. We are delighted to have you join us for this episode of our weekly series on Nifty Analysis. SignalZ continues to be your trusted source for expert market insights, offering stock recommendations from SEBI registered research analysts and investment advisors. Today, once again, we are honored to be joined by R.A. Prosenjit Ghosh, a distinguished SEBI-registered research analyst with over 23 years of experience in the financial markets. Mr. Ghosh will be sharing his expert views on the Nifty outlook for the week ahead. Mr. Prosenjit, it's a pleasure to have you with us once again in this session.
Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing well.
Mr. Prosenjit, last week we discussed the Nifty trend. Your prediction was that it might touch the zone and come down, or it might break it and then go up. We saw last week that it capped up the level and broke the zone. What are your comments on this trend and how do you see this trend changing in the coming week?
So last week we predicted that either price will go to this level and react from there, and then price will come to this point, this trap zone, and from there a big rally was expected. Also, at the same time, I gave in a caution that there is a chance that this level might break, and if it breaks, on retracement, the price is going to go up. In that case, price will not come down to this level. So we saw during the week, last week, price gapped up above the level. It straight away gapped up above the stop loss of the level, and hence the level broke. Once the level broke, now prices started coming down. Let's do a new analysis over here and try to understand what price is going to do here. First of all, understand price has not broken any resistance. The resistance is here. Last week, I said that let the resistance break and then come down. So the resistance is still intact. Who knows, the price might come down again. But looking into this overall price structure, I have this in mind that probably price is trying to create an inverse head and shoulder pattern here. If you look, there is a left shoulder which we can see and a right shoulder probably getting created, and if it gets created, we can expect the trend to change and the price to go up. So there is a chance that there could be a inverse head and shoulder forming. How to trade a inverse head and shoulder? Obviously, we don't trade inverse head and shoulder just because we feel that there is a right shoulder getting created. No, that is something we never do. The way a head and shoulder is traded is once the price breaks this neckline and the SR probably, then on retracement to the neckline, we go long. So this is the way an inverse head and shoulder is played. If the inverse head and shoulder gets created, we are going long. If it is not, then we will wait for or to observe what price wants to do here. Whether price again wants to come down or it wants to go up. Now, another very important analysis I did here on this chart, that is Iliad. When I used my knowledge of Iliad, I found that price here is creating a corrective pattern, a bullish corrective pattern. This pattern is known as expanded flat. Whenever a bullish expanded flat forms, we expect the price to go up. And if the price goes up, on retracement to this pattern, we can go long. So I see that probably in the coming week, Nifty might go up. It started its bullish movement and I expect it to go up till 25,700 odd levels. So currently it is standing at around 24,131. I expect it to reach 25,731 because there is a corrective pattern formed, and whenever a ABC pattern forms, the price goes up. So this is what I am expecting in Nifty. So coming couple of weeks, we can see Nifty to move up and reach 25,750 in the coming month. So December, you expect this Nifty will be bullish. It will create a green candle on the chart.
Okay, thank you so much for that invaluable insights, Mr. Prosenjit. So, given the current market conditions, do you believe it's an appropriate time for investors to make an entry, or should they adopt a more cautious approach and wait for much more clearer signals?
Yes, as I have told before, Nifty is probably creating three drives. And as because we see the corrective pattern forming, and there is a chance that there will be an inverse head and shoulder forming in the chart. So obviously, I think investors should gear up and start buying.
So thank you once again, Mr. Prosenjit, for your expert guidance. Your perspectives are always highly appreciated by our viewers. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And a sincere thank you to our viewers for tuning in. We encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to ensure you never miss out on our expert analysis. Remember, SignalZ.in remains your go-to platform for trusted recommendations from SEBI registered professionals. We look forward to seeing you in our next session, where we'll bring more in-depth analysis of Nifty. Till then, stay informed, stay confident, and we will see you next time. Thank you.